Sarah.
And I'm Bella, here assisting Sarah in the kitchen today.
And today we're making lemon coconut protein balls.
Let's get started.
So the first thing you need is 4 cups of shredded coconut.
It's a lot of coconut. Uh-oh.
You need a zest of 1 lemon. If you don't have a grater, what you can do is cut up the lemon zest with a knife and finely dice it before putting it in the food processor. And then you need half a cup of lemon juice. So if you want to pop that in the food processor. Lovely. And then 8 tablespoons of rice malt syrup. So the syrup on the side there. And then once all the wet ingredients are in, we're going to blend it all up until a dough forms, and then we'll add the coconut flour.
Sticky stuff.
So once your dough has formed, it's still kind of grainy, so what you have to do is add the coconut flour in, so that just absorbs some of the liquid. And then also add in 20 grams of protein powder. And then blitz it again. So you know the dough is done when you can press the dough into the spoon and it kind of sticks to the spoon. Last but not least, we're going to add 30 grams of coconut oil. And then just blend it again. So now we're just going to pour the batter into this lined tray and then press it down nice and firmly. So Bella's just finished pressing the dough into the pan and it's nice and even, and all we have to do now is put it in the fridge for 30 minutes.
That's good.
So we've just pulled out the vanilla lemon coconut slices from the fridge, and now we're just going to cut them and then taste them. So the slices have just been cut up and now they're ready to eat, so let's try them. Cheers.
Cheers.
Very lemony and coconutty.
Good dessert.
Yeah, definitely eat this after the gym, or if I'm just feeling something sweet after dinner. And if you want it a bit sweeter, you can add a bit more rice malt syrup. If you like it a bit more lemony and sour, you can add a bit more lemon.
It's great.